Let's begin by understanding that what we are doing changes your neural pathways over time. When you focus on a new, powerful, positive feeling, you are strengthening new neural pathways in your mind. That old negative thought process you had becomes diminished and just gets pruned away. This is based on scientific fact, and you are building a new positive neural pathway that you will use from now on. So, first, get comfortable. Take a seat, make sure your feet are flat on the floor. Let your hands rest gently in your lap for now. Now, focus on that negative thought, the memory or feeling that you wish to change, and really get a feel of it. Make sure you are truly feeling it right now in this moment, not just remembering what it felt like in the past. And when you can truly feel it in this moment, rate that feeling on a scale where 0 is no distress at all and 10 is the maximum possible distress. If it isn't already at a 10, bump it up as close to 10 as you can. Make it go higher. Push it higher. Keep going until you get there or you're as high as you can possibly make it today. Get a sense of that negative thought and where it is in the space around you now. Imagine where it first came to you. And you may close your eyes if that helps you visualize this location. And as you imagine where it is somewhere out in the space around you, reach out with your real hands and grab that negative thought. Use both hands. Grab that and move it, shrink it, move it down, make it smaller, and just put it on the floor to the side of you for a moment. If needed, you can also drain the color out of it, make it blurry, and continue to shrink it down until it's very small as you put it down there to the side of you to really disassociate from that now and take all the emotion out of it and just put it down there for a time. Shift your focus now. Think of a really positive thought, memory, or feeling. Something this should represent something that is how you would like to feel instead of that old negative thought that you no longer feel. Really step into that positive energy, feel it, embrace it, imagine the positive thought vividly, focus on all the sights, the sounds, the smells, feelings, the textures. Really get a sense and feel how that positive moment feels right now. Continue focusing until you know that you're feeling as amazing as you can do in that positive moment. And push this positive feeling to be as high up as you possibly can. Make it a 10 if you can. Make it stronger, stack as many different positive events and thoughts and feelings and memories as you need to get that really super strong, as powerful as possible, and way stronger than that old negative thought. Now, using your non-dominant hand, anchor this super powerful feeling to a specific touch by bringing your thumb to your ring finger and press them together as you look at it. Press them together firmly, and while feeling that amazing positive feeling, just look back down at that old negative thought you placed on the floor. Notice how it has changed now. And as you look at that old negative thing that you put on the floor, touch that anchor again to evoke that super positive state you created even more. And imagine taking that powerful positive thought and energy, picking up that old negative thought, just smush them together. Make sure you zero it out completely as you combine the two. Allow the more powerful and positive thought to completely overwrite the negative thought. Now feel how that makes you feel and notice how that is different than how you felt before you started. Now rate the negative feeling or memory again on a scale of 0 to 10 and notice how much it has gone down. Now you can repeat this process a few times. If the final rating is not yet 0, repeat the entire procedure until the negative feeling is completely gone and the rating is all the way at 0. And sometimes if you have issues with this, it might be that you weren't fully embracing that original negative thought. It might be that you didn't build enough confidence, enough positivity, happiness, or whatever it was, that positive emotion to overwrite the negative. So go and stack even more positive thoughts, feelings, memories, and truly overwrite that negative. And keep doing it until it works. And anchor it in and press that anchor. And then anytime you encounter whatever triggered that old negative thought, you can use your anchor, and over time, it'll completely rewrite those neural pathways. The old neural pathways will start diminishing and getting pruned away. That's how your brain works. And the new ones will become stronger and take precedence over the old ones and become the dominant pathway that your brain chooses to use. Enjoy.